Here we are near Nagorno Karabakh Republic in what was once Soviet Central Asia. We're harvesting wheat on a field that was planted by the Armenia Fund for seed for small farmers in the area. Combine coming down is a Belarus Niva combine, really common Russian type combine in the area. Some of the newest equipment in the area.
Fond as we could be. We were set to marry in October 33.